guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configurations that is not supported. So here you can access amd.com for the solution. Possible cause, there are three causes here. Embedded Radeon graphics, legacy AMD Radeon graphics, and customized AMD Radeon graphics for OEM systems. So in order to fix it, for example, AMD Radeon graphics, so it's often happen when you have embedded GPU and you install the Adrenaline version of driver. It doesn't work. So in order to make it work, you can try to go to driver and support for processor and graphic. You can manually search your graphic card, but the Radeon embedded one. Here, you can select your a graphic card, for example, the HD series, HD5770 embedded. You can submit, and here you can download the driver manually. And also, the second cause is legacy. So you can visit AMD driver and support again and try to search the legacy driver. Here you can try to search manually by graphic and legacy graphic driver. Here you can try to search your graphic card. And again, you have to submit and download the driver manually based on your operating system. And this is the list of legacy GPU. If you have your GPU on this list, it means you have to use the legacy driver. Special case, if you have this APU, you have to update to or only from Microsoft using Windows Update. And the last is customize AMD Radeon graphic for OEM systems. Here you can visit the official website of your system builder or partner manufacturer, and this is the list for OEM and partner manufacturer. See, I'm the partner and inboard OEM system builder configurations. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so ring this button below. See you in the next